All right, Lee, thank you very much. Let's talk about the St. Jude Dream Home. Every time I look at the house, I think it's so beautiful. The house itself is gorgeous. And then I look at the furniture and everything that's inside, and I think, I've got to get over Haverty's because you guys have it all. You guys have really decorated it beautifully.
We do. And I think that was one of the big surprises that I heard when I go and visit the house on the weekends. And everyone says, Haverty's does this. And said, yes, that's what we do.
Surprise, surprise.
Yes, right? All of it. So, yep.
It really, really is gorgeous. Was it fun to kind of watch it all come together inside the home?
It was. The structure of the home was already beautiful, but then, so we got to have the dark wood floors. It has a little bit of a rustic feel, and we really wanted to go with the theme of that and try to have a little bit more, some modern touches and whatnot in there. So it ended up being a lot of fun.
Well, that is, you can see when the people walk through and all of the video that we've had of these open houses that people are just stopping early to check out what the furniture is all about.
Yeah.
So part of this giveaway, and I want you to explain this portion of it because we've been saying to people, okay, you can also register for a chance to win furniture from Haverty's.
Right.
Explain that portion of the St. Jude Dream Home giveaway.
So that portion is you just go to the house. You don't have to buy a ticket. That's the only thing you have to do to win a $10,000 Haverty's shopping spree. So just come see our furniture and what we did in design-wise, and then just register to win. That's it.
I think what's going to happen too, if you do that and you go and you register to win this furniture, you're going to fall so in love with the home that it's going to be a piece of cake to buy that $100 raffle ticket for the home as well, because it's such a good cause. And $100 when you could win an entire home.
That's right. It's a 1 in 10,000 chance, so you can't beat that at all.
It's absolutely unbelievable. So now the open houses continue for a while now.
That's right, through October. The drawing is next 2 weekends, I believe, and so you can win, even if a ticket sell out, you still have a chance to win the Haverty's shopping spree too.
Was it sort of a no-brainer for you guys to partner with St. Jude on this?
Yes. It's funny. St. Jude's came to us, and we just really, I just wasn't having any thought to it. We've been in business for 130 years now, and we always try to do things with our community, and this was just a perfect fit for that.
Where can people find Haverty's if they're, for some reason, unsure?
There's one at our North Lake location up at Smith Corners, and then one down in Pineville at the Carolina Place.
It's the one by me.
Yes.
I have to go in there and steal it for, not steal it, I won't steal it.
Yeah, that's all right.
I'll actually pay for it.
We have cameras, we'll see you.
There's the information on your screen, all about the St. Jude Dream Home giveaway, and we are so grateful to Samantha for coming in, talking to us today about this. Good luck.
Thank you.
I'm so excited to see who walks away with all that furniture.
Yeah, me too.
Walks away, again, not stealing.
That's right.
Just
right. That's right.
Thanks for coming in.
Thank you. Appreciate
We have a final check of weather next in WVTV News.